got claps. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title of the video, this is going to be an unboxing video. As you guys know, I've been trying to change up my look a little bit. I've been getting more confident since I lost weight, and I've been rocking this 1B30 body wave hair. Now I can't remember who I got it from, but I have it linked below. But if you guys want to see my new wig, then continue to watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So I really just got home. I'm in my room. Kennedi is back to sleep. I don't know if y'all can see her. But I got me some new lighting, so I'm hoping that I look okay. But yeah, I just got back in from celebrating my cousin's birthday. I had a good time. I was gonna vlog a little bit, and I was gonna like do a get rid of me, but I completely ran out of time. But I can show you guys my outfit at the end. Let me go ahead and get into this video. So you guys know I've been trying to like change up my look a little bit. Like I've been just like, you know, getting a little more confident and trying more things. So I ordered this hair. I've been had this about I don't know, maybe a week. But I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and order it. I'm gonna try not to wait too long. But they got it like wrapped up in gray paper. So I was going for this look because I'm going to like a birthday party at the end of May. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture of kind of what I was going for. I'm gonna put it in the video. That's the look that I'm going for. It's really, really cute. Don't really know how it's gonna look on me, but I'm gonna make it work. So I was looking everywhere for like a bob that color. Didn't find a bob that color. That was a closure, because you guys know I do not wear frontals. I wear a closure. So I came across this one. This one to me looked the closest to it. But then when I look back at like what I ordered like body wave. I'm gonna go with this bob straight. I should have ordered straight hair. So I don't know. We're gonna do what it do. But this is a wig that I ordered from. I don't think I've ever ordered hair from Unice, but I'm excited to see what kind of hair that they sell, because I heard some good reviews, bad reviews on it. You know, you just gotta kind of do stuff for yourself. But this is the wig, and I honestly don't know like what color this is. So it comes with I don't even know what this is, y'all. I don't know what that is. But it comes with a little bag of goodies, and I did pay for this with my own money. It comes with a little bag of goodies. It comes with a what you call these? Elastic band. It comes with a pair of lashes. No, but I'll be happy to put them in my makeup kit. What is this? Is this a brush? Oh, this is a brush. That's cute. Go in my little purse, you know. How do you push it? Oh, you push it up. Oh, okay. Okay, got my brush, and then it comes with a wig cap. And I'm actually liking this wig, these wig caps they're coming out with now. Even though I don't wear frontals, I still wear one with my closure wig. And this is the wig. I honestly don't know what color this is, y'all. Oh, duh. This is I don't even know what color this is. It just say body wave. But anyway, let's take it out of here. So we can really see the color. This is a closure wig. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I got like the shortest length that they had. But I think this is like a 4x4. And it got like an elastic band on it, and combs on the side, combs in the back. But yeah, it's not really full like I kind of wanted it. How y'all think I'm gonna look with this? Cause it stinks. It has stink. But anyway, I'm gonna like bleach the knots, pluck it. I'm gonna try to cut it in a bob. Let's see how y'all think I'm gonna look with it. Y'all think I look alright with it? But I mean the hair, I mean it stinks. It doesn't smell like feet, but it smells like something else. But I'm gonna cut it into a bob. I think I'm gonna look cute with it. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think I'm gonna be cute with it. I'm gonna wear it anyway. I don't give a damn. But yeah, this is it. I will put everything in the bottom bar, like how much I paid for, in the length, in the color and everything, because I can't remember. They don't have anything in here kind of like telling me what it was. I can't remember. But yeah, this is the wig I'm gonna try to transform and get that look that I showed you guys. It's real soft. It's real soft. Kind of feels like Barbie doll here. But it's real soft, and I'm gonna make it do what it do. Do what it do. But yeah, so I wanted to just do this little video for you guys, and it's not giving me no shading, baby. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I can just run my hands through it. But yeah, we're gonna bleach these knots. We gonna it's pre-plucked a little bit. Let me get myself out the thing so you guys can see. You guys can't see. It's kind of pre-plucked, but we're gonna pluck it some more. We're gonna fix it up. Now if y'all want a video on this, y'all let me know in the bottom bar, and I definitely will do it, because I'm not gonna do this for a couple of weeks, so y'all got time to tell me whether y'all want to see that or not. But yeah, I think this is gonna be real cute on me. But yeah, that is that's it. That is it. It does come in a cute little box. This box is so cute. But yeah, this is the wig. I don't even know, like, I'm gonna have to look at that picture and see if it really like really looks similar to what she had. I think it's like more brown though. But anyway guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think at the bottom. Do you think that color is gonna look okay on me? Do you guys want to see a video of me like restyling this wig? Because I am gonna wear this as a bob. That's why it's not that long, because I'm gonna cut most of it off. So yeah, if you guys want that video, then please let me know in the bottom bar. Let me show you guys my dress really quick. If you guys can see it, I don't even know if y'all can really see it. But this is a dress I got from Fashion Nova. I will link it below if you guys want me to link it below. It's real long. It's cute. It's cute. Real cute and comfortable tonight. But if y'all want to see like the full body shot, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Instagram, glam girl _E. I think that's my name. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.